Hello everyone, I am PM Nema and today we are learning about a new tutorial of how to install XAMPP in your PC to run WordPress. Okay, so why we are installing XAMPP? Because XAMPP provides a environment for WordPress to run locally on our PC. So we need to install XAMPP and we can do it by installing this free software from its official site, that is apachefriends.org. Okay, and we can also install uh, this WordPress free software from wordpress.org download. So here we can install both of this software. Then why we are installing these softwares, or why we are running WordPress locally on our PC? Because we cannot test everything on our live site, or if something goes wrong there, so we cannot do anything about that. So we are installing WordPress locally on our PC to test and develop what we want. So yes, that is why we are installing XAMPP on our PC to install WordPress on it. Then this is a easy tutorial. Just follow these steps and you will be able to download or run a test site on your PC locally. So first of all, you need to install XAMPP and WordPress on your PC or laptop or your Mac, anything you can use, because the XAMPP provides software for Windows as well as Linux as well as OS X. So you can use anything for it. Now you need to install it and see what is your PC's requirement for XAMPP. So you can also put whatever your PC is supporting. Maybe you have Windows 7 32-bit version, because I have this particular properties on my PC. Then you will be searching for it. You will getting the results here. Click on these links and you can download it from these links. It is really easy to search for it and download from here. If you are having Windows 7 32-bit architecture, so you can install this software from here. Also, I will leave the links in the description as well, and from here you can download WordPress. Just search download wordpress.org in your search bar, and this first link, you can click on this first link and go to this particular site, and you can download it from here directly. As I have downloaded both the software, I will move on to the next process. Here I have to install this XAMPP on my PC. So I will be installing it. It is opening, and you have to extract these files. Later on I will show you how to do that and what to do with these extracted files. Now here is the setup for this XAMPP. You have to click on next. You do not need these extra uh, these options, but you need these PHP, MyAdmin and MySQL. You have to tick them and untick rest of these options. Now you can select a folder, maybe for installing XAMPP. You can maybe select a folder here or make a new folder, name it maybe your site. Okay, so next, click on next, and you do not need this bitnami for XAMPP, as it is of no use. You have all these things ready. Now this is installing. It may take minute or so, or maybe 3 to 5 minutes for installing. Now it is has finished. You have to launch this control panel. Select the language, and it will launch a control panel over here. Yeah, you have to start these both modules to run. Uh, both these modules are running here. Close it for now. And if these are not running, it will not turn to green. You have to check that if they are running uh, on your PC or not. Then we have to do our next process. Now you have to extract these files over here, or maybe in whatever place you want. So you have to copy all the files, these WordPress files. So here we have copied the files, and we have to paste where we have created the folder for XAMPP. We have created folder like site. Yeah, here is the folder, and we have to find this particular folder that named here htdocs. You have to create a new folder of maybe the name you want for your site. Example, I want my site to be named as my test site. Okay, here you have to remember this name, and because it will be used further in our further tutorial. We will see how. It is taking some time. It will take some time to copy. And here you will be able to check if XAMPP is installed correctly on your PC or not. So it will be like this particular interface will be here if XAMPP is installed correctly or not. Yes, the files are now, yes, files are copied. Now we have to create a you have to create a database for WordPress over here from clicking over this particular uh, you have to go to this particular page and create databases from here, and you have to name the database what you have created during copying the files in the htdocs. That is my test site. What I have created is htdocs my test site. Yeah, you have to change this to collation and create. Your database is created. Yeah, now you have to go to this particular url to configure the this particular url, and from here you can remove this particular phrase and put that phrase of your folder, that is my test site, and search. It will be taking some time over here. Yeah, now we are to the setup configuration of WordPress. We will be setting up the configuration for it. Now you can select English UK and English United States as well. I'll select English UK. Now another interface will be coming here. You have to give that particular name you have created, my test site. Okay, username you have to write root, and password you have to keep as blank, and you have to do nothing with these particular field. Okay, you have to remember it. You have to name these particular field as your you have created the folder, and username you have to keep root, and password you have to keep blank. Now go to submit, click submit, and run the installation. Now give the uh, title of the site. Username I'll keep as Priyam, and you have to copy this particular password somewhere, as you will be using it to log in to your dashboard. Your email, as if you forgot the password, you can click on forgot password, and you will be getting the link to reset your password on this particular email. Okay, don't check it. Now click on install WordPress, and it will install the WordPress in the meantime. It will be taking some time over here. Yep, the password is the WordPress is been installed, and you can log in now to your dashboard. Will be looking like the real dashboard. Yep, here we are with our this particular test site, or we can say our local site, local host, where you have hosted your WordPress. And what is the updates? Nothing. Now it is all the way the WordPress you will be getting over here, and you can visit our site. Yeah, how it looks like, same as we are doing by buying the hosting and domain. So you can test this site out by customizing plugins, and uh, here tweaking, and whatever you are you want to do, you can do it. You can add new posts, new pages, and whatever you want. So this is for it today, guys, and I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll be uh, making more of these tutorials for you. And how do you like it? Please comment on the comment box, and thank you for watching this video.